Hey guys, today what we're going to do on addymakRox channel is we're going to have a burping contest. And after the show, you're going to decide if Mackenzie with the pink heart hat on, or Mimi with the blue shirt, with the blue pajamas, or me is going to win the burping contest. Just comment down below and tell us who's going to win.
At addymakRox.com. Okay.
No, we don't have it.
Yeah, we do.
We do?
Uh-huh. I made one.
Okay. Okay, guys, start drinking it.
Look who the winner is so far.
Oh, ow. Oh, God, that hurt.
It's so cold I can't drink it.
Oh, God.
Let me see your fingers. Randy heard us all the way to work.
You need to do one big one. Yes. Come on, focus.
What does that say? What'd you say?
We're doing burping contest.
No more text, okay?
Come on, you drink. You haven't done any burps.
I do little bitty ones.
Yeah, you need to unite all
That
the
was
power.
fake.
Guys, the rules are you cannot do fake ones.
Now.
Maybe you're like,
It was so. Wait, listen.
that was burpy.
That was pretty good. I don't burp a lot.
It's not ladylike.
It's not very ladylike. Go get that red and white cloth over there.
You did a fake one, Mimi.
No. Watch out, it's spilling. No more than that. Oh, God. Have y'all ever
You
had?
kind of have something right there.
Oh, yeah. Oh, she sniffed it up. That's so good.
Oh, that was
Oh, my God.
fake.
Here, you got it on your chin.
I need to.
No. Take
Yes,
mine. Just share mine with you.
No.
No.
That's why I got the other ones. I'm a professional.
Okay, no more than two, okay? And
I don't know about
please.
that.
And
Wimp. Eyes are watering.
I take a medicine that keeps me from burping. So I'm gonna start giving it to you. Lord.
Fiona.
Fiona. Okay, let's have it. Let's time it. Here, let's time it for 4 more minutes. Okay?
Where are these coming from? You never hear me burp this much, I don't think.
I haven't.
Oh, I'm gonna throw up after this.
It's a good thing Randy's not here. Okay, we're gonna set the timer for her. How many many minutes more?
4.
4 minutes? Huh?
Shut up.
I'm finished. I almost threw up.
Okay, then you're out of the contest.
It's not a throw up contest. It's a
Burping.
I'm out because I can't burp.
How do you?
Maybe you have to try.
Well, I'm trying. I
You're just like,
Well, sweetheart, I've been taught that it's rude, and my things just won't do it. Your eyes are green today. Let me see. Look at me. They're so green.
Hey, we should have a contest who can make the biggest bubble on their tongue.
Why don't you go turn it off and let's watch it? Here comes one.
That's a fake.
I thought it was going to be a big one.
You can't do big ones, no offense. You.
What's that above your? Look at.
What?
I don't know. It looks like mascara on your nose.
Okay. Guys, I think we should stop. I think I'm gonna throw up.
Go turn the camera off and let's watch it.
Wait.
Addison! Don't get